Hi there, my name is Imelda and I'm going to show you how to white label your portal account. Now, the first thing that you are going to have to do is log into your Enforcer management portal. Then you're going to scroll down and you will see custom branding. Now here you can do your report branding or your Enforcer branding. So let's click on report branding. Here you will see that you can change the colors of your report's cover page and the heading bars of your managed enforcers. You are also able to change the color of the text used in the report's cover page, and also the color of the footer bars in your reseller profile and of your managed enforcers. So it's pretty simple. You just click on the color, you change into whatever you'd like, and always remember to click update. This will automatically save. So I'm just clicking it and you will see that it will immediately change. Let's change the text color, update, it will automatically save. And then the footer bar color, let's do a blue and update. So here you will now see at the bottom that your footer bar colors have changed. It's also important to note that you can upload an icon, a logo, and a report cover. So first you'll click on the one which you would like to upload. You would choose the file. And once you have chosen it, be sure to click the upload button. As you can see, all the images that you have previously uploaded will pop up on your Enforcer branding page. It is also here that you can rename an enforcer, add a preferred reply to address, and also a website redirect address. So if you'd like to rename your enforcer, this applies for this account and all managed client profiles. Be sure to type it in and select update. This will automatically save the changes. If you would like a preferred reply to address, now this goes for all mails for this account and all managed client profiles. You just enter it and be sure to update, it will automatically save. For a website redirect, you will add the website details in here. And this will be redirected to when clicking on the logo or the reseller name in the left section of the navigation bar. So this also applies for this account and all managed client profiles. So you would enter it in your website redirect box, click on update, it will automatically save the changes. Once you are done, click on home. Now you can see all the changes that you have made to your portal account. All the changes are here. Perfect. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.